In this video, we have been given that a squared minus b is equals to 31, and also b squared minus a is equals to 31. So they want us to solve for a and b. So let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. Now, since both equations 1 and 2 equate to 31, we are going to equate the left side of equation 1 to the left side of equation 2. So we shall have a squared minus b being equals to b squared minus a. So we bring everything to the left side. So we shall have a squared minus b squared. When this a crosses, it becomes plus a. This is equals to 0. So when we combine the squares, we shall have a squared minus b squared, then plus a minus b. This is equals to 0. As you can see, these are perfect squares, so it's a difference of 2 squares. So this, we know that it expands into a plus b into a minus b. So plus a minus b, this is equals to 0. Now, as you can see, a minus b is common here and also here, so we factor it out. So we shall have a minus b into, here we shall be left with just a plus b. Then here we shall be left with just 1. So plus 1, this is equals to 0. So we have two possible solutions. So we have a minus b is equals to 0. And also this, but let's start with this. This first one, a minus b is equals to 0, gives us a equals to b. So a is equals to b. But from equation 1, our equation 1 was a squared minus b is equals to 31. So we're going to substitute a with b, since we've said that a is equals to b. So this will be b squared minus b is equals to 31. So we take the 31 this side, so we shall have b squared minus b minus 31 is equals to 0. As you can see, we come up with a quadratic equation. So we're going to solve it using the quadratic formula. So b will be equals to minus b. So this b represents the coefficient of unknown b. Okay, so minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So b will be equals to minus, the coefficient of b is negative, so negative 1. Then plus or minus negative 1 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is negative 31. This is over 2 times 1. So b is equals to, this gives us positive 1 plus or minus, this is 1 plus negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 31 gives us positive 124. This is over 2. And so b is equals to, this is 1 plus or minus 125 over 2. So this b will be equals to 1 plus square root of 125 is the same as square root of 25 times 5. This is over 2. So b will be equals to 1 plus or minus, plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. So 5 root 5 over 2. Okay, now since b is equals to a, so our value of b is that, and also our value of a is 1 plus or minus 5 root 5 over 2. Okay. Now this is the solution for the first option, the first value. So here we have a is this and b is this for this first one, where a minus b is equals to 0. So we need to also get for this one here. A plus b plus 1 is equals to 0. So in this case, making a the subject, this will be equals to minus b minus 1. But from our first equation, which was a squared minus b is equals to 31, when we substitute for a and put this, we shall have minus b minus 1 squared, then minus b, this is equals to 31. So when we expand this here, we shall have minus b squared plus minus 1 squared plus 2 minus b minus 1, then minus this b. This is equals to 31. So this gives us b squared plus 1 plus negative b times negative 1 is positive b, so 2b, then minus b, this is equals to 31. So we have b squared, then 2b minus b leaves us with b, so plus b, then plus 1, so plus 1, then we bring this 31 this side, so it will be minus 31, this is equals to 0. So this will be b squared plus b, this minus 31 leaves us with minus 30, this is equals to 0. As you can see, we come up with another quadratic equation, and we're going to solve this one by grouping. So we shall have b squared plus, now b is the same as 6b minus 5b, because when you multiply 6, positive 6 times negative 5, you come up with negative 30, this one. So minus 30, this is equals to 0. So for this first one, b is common, so we factor it out. So we shall have b into b plus 6. Then for this one, 5 is common, negative 5, so we factor out negative 5. So we shall be left with this, we are left with positive b. Then here we're left with positive 6. This is equals to 0. So as you can see, b plus 6 is common. We factor it out, so we have b plus 6. Then here we are left with just b, and here we are left with minus 5. This is equals to 0. So we have two possible solutions for b. So for the first one, b plus 6 is equals to 0. b will be equals to negative 6. While for this second one, b minus 5 is equals to 0. So b will be equals to positive 5. Now from our value of a, we got a is equals to minus b minus 1. So since a is equals to minus b minus 1, and we have got for this one, we've got b as negative 6, so a will be equals to minus negative 6 minus 1. So this will be positive 6 minus 1, which leaves us with positive 5. Then for this one, a is equals to minus b minus 1. So a is equals to minus 5 minus 1, which leaves us with negative 6 as our answer. Therefore, our solutions that we have got, so solution 1 for A1, B1 is 5 and negative, sorry, our value of A is 5 and value of B is negative 6. Then the second one is the value of A is negative 6 and the value of B is 5. Then our third one was, we got the value of A. So for the first whatever we worked on had A was equals to B. So our first value of A was 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2, which was equals to B. So also B was 1 plus 5 root 5 over 2. Then the other solution was 1 minus 5 root 5 over 2, which is equals to B as well. 1 minus 5 root 5 over 2. So these are the solutions for A and B. So we have this, and this. So there are 4 solutions for A and B. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Like, comment, and share your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below. Also, like by giving it a thumbs up just below this video. Thank you so much. Those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. It's completely free of charge. Bye. Let's meet in the next video.